So this is all about the hydroponic. So we have talked about like what is hydroponic, why you should do the hydroponic. We talked about inert media, the irrigation waters, fertilizers, seedling phase. We talked about everything. So this is all about the basic concepts of the hydroponic. Now let's understand if you want to go about advanced hydroponic. Now, for example, you have decided, you have made up your mind that okay, I want to understand about the commercial hydroponic, or I want to go detail into the economics of the hydroponics. I want to understand about like how to set up your commercial farm or something. Let's talk about that now. So as I told you, when 3 years back, when I started doing research on the commercial hydroponic farm, I met a lot of companies. A lot of companies promised me a lot of things. But the only issue was the input cost, the initial cost is very high. Some companies were quoting me 35 lakhs, some were quoting 50 lakhs, some were quoting 65 lakhs. Different companies were giving me different quotations. So that was the biggest frictional point I have to get into the industry. I was not able to get into the industry because obviously I didn't have a 60 lakh rupees waiting in my bank, or no bank was ready to give me loan of a 30 or 40 lakh rupees on any unproven business model. So that was not the case for me at all. So I had to devise a system where my input cost is a very low. So I started working on that part. So while I was working on that part, I realized one thing, that like me, there are a lot of people who want to jump into hydroponic, but they are held back because of this initial traction, initial input cost. So from day one, I decided, okay, I document each and everything. Whatever processes I did, whatever methods I followed, whatever techniques I used to minimize our cost, I started documenting each and everything. So after 1 year, when everything was going smooth, a lot of people started visiting me, I started showing them the clips. That this is the clips which I have shooted. This is the things, like this is the land leveling method I used, or this is the fertilizers I used. This is the method of NFT systems I'm using. These are the changes I did. This is the timer methods I've used. I started showing them different things. So a lot of people used to tell me, okay, can you send me all these videos? Can you upload it on a YouTube? So I started uploading them on a YouTube, small pieces. I started sending them on a WhatsApp. Then people started having a lot of questions about that. Okay, why this is done this way? Why you did this? Why this change you have done? People started asking a lot of questions. Managing those questions, everything was become a tedious job for me. So after a moment, again, I'm into the business of selling vegetables for the profit. I'm for the profit business. So I decided, okay, let's build a course around this. From day one, whatever I did till day 40, how I set up my plant. Apart from that, what is a basic hydroponic, what is advanced hydroponic, what are the methods, what are the techniques we have to use, why hydroponic is designed such a way, why we have designed our farm in such a way. I went ahead from that. If you're going for the bank loan, what are the things we have to do? If you're going for the NBFCs, what are the things for you to do? All these things, I created one giant course of that. Whatever softwares I have developed a farm management software, I developed a price voucher software, I developed different kind of softwares, water quantity requirement softwares, fertilizer softwares. We created different softwares for our own use. We decided, okay, we'll give these softwares to the people. Like if they want to succeed into hydroponic business, they need all this tool set, they need all these arms in their hand when they want to succeed into the market. So we decided, let's give them everything. Let's empower them with all these tools and softwares and techniques and methods we have followed, we have created. We started giving them to everyone. And we created a course. We named it Hydroponic Masterclass. So Hydroponic Masterclass is a groundbreaking course which teaches you to set up your hydroponic farm, which is 70% cheaper than the market options which are available right now, and that generates up to 4 lakh rupees per month, and you can finish the entire course in just 3 days. So we created a course in such a way that it's a fast track, but same time it's not very laggy course. You can finish the entire course into 3 days, and it can generate revenue up to 4 lakh rupees by setting up the farm of 5,000 square feet, and it is 70% cheaper than whatever options available into the market. So generally, a lot of people want to jump into the hydroponic immediately. Some people are still into the planning phase. They still want to understand, okay, what is a land leveling or a land development or a water development I have to do? What are the main concepts? Like, okay, what is the wind speed I should have if I'm setting up the poly house? That's small issues which actually can make or break the business. So a lot of people have like a lot of questions when they're doing the paperwork. So they want to understand, okay, what are the ROI I should target? What are the crop production I should do? What is the input cost? What is the labor cost? Like if okay, some person is coming on my farm to set up my polyhouse, how many days he gonna stay there? And if he's gonna stay there, what are the other facilities I have to provide him? What food I have to provide him? How much cost is gonna in that? Okay, do I have to see that how far my hospital is or how far the water resource I have? So calculate all these things. So we created the blueprint of business. So the blueprint of business is like accurate way of being successful into the hydroponic business. So you need to calculate from each and every step. Okay, if I have a paved road, how far it is. So if I have a paved road which is like 200 or 300 meters away from my farm, how much that additional cost I'm gonna have in the labor to transport my materials from the road to my farm locations. So calculating all minute details and something that actually makes the business, that actually makes sure that okay, what is the ROI we're gonna target, what is going to be our EBITDA, what is going to be our earnings before tax deductions and everything, what is going to be our gross revenue, and what is going to be our net profit. So when we get all these configurations and all these details in our hand before even we go out, away from your computer and start actually thinking and working about the hydroponic farm, we need all these details into our hand before starting into any business. So the same details we created all details and we created one document out of it. So on your screen you can see the farm development videos. So on this you can see that there is a proper breakdown of our videos. There is day 1 when we did the land leveling. There is a day 2 when we created the water resources, how to get the water resources to the farm locations. Day where when we started constructing the polyhouse, we are going with the F bracket polyhouse. Why we are going with the F bracket polyhouse? Because it provides us 6.5 meters center height. So we can go up to 7 or 8 layer height in the production, in the vertical farming. So that's why we went to the F bracket system. In market, if someone is giving me much cheaper polyhouse, let's say 20% cheaper, 20% the cost of polyhouse, maybe he's not going with the F bracket, he's going with a different bracket, which is not, I'm not able to go much vertical with that methods. So you have to understand, not all polyhouse are the same. Not all polyhouse micron paper is the same. We have to go with a 400 micron paper, not with 100 micron paper. There is two regions where we have to save money and where we have to spend money. So we need a clear differentiator where we have to save money and where we have to compromise on the quantity. So that differentiator is done. So in videos you'll understand okay how the pipes are connected with each other. You'll understand okay when I start doing the seedling phase, when we transfer seedlings into the pipe, when we after transferring seedlings into the pipe, when we should expect our first harvest, how to package the harvest, how to send it to the market, how to expect like what are the credit lines to provide, what if I'm doing contract with any particular company, what are the clauses I have to take care in consideration. Okay, if I'm going for the bank loan, if I'm going with the PSOs or National Bank, what are the condition I should be checking upon. If I'm going with the NBFCs, they have a different set of clauses. What are the clauses I need to check upon. If I want to add any clause, how to approach them. If I want to remove any clause, how to approach them. How to take care of all parts. So we created the entire course on top of this. So this course is not particularly science driven course. So we have covered like 80% science into the course, but the course is morely driven on the economic side. How to become a successful business person into the hydroponic. How to commercially how to achieve the commercial success into the hydroponic. The course is based on that. So when we talk about the free things, like the basic tools which you need to succeed into the hydroponic business, you need farm management software. If you go into the open market, the farm management software cost into lakh rupees. We made it available for the free. If you want to go for the future price prediction algorithm, so we call it the price watcher. Now in advance, after 1 month or 2 months, which commodity is gonna give you the highest ROI, the highest return on your investment. You should know that well in advance. So we discuss about the price watcher. We made that price watcher available for you, free of cost. So now when you're growing your hydroponic journey, you need a lot of people who are in the similar journey. So we created a private Facebook community where people can interact with each other. We created a private Facebook groups where whatever issues you're facing, maybe some other person has faced similar kind of issues, which are very much location specific. Maybe from Satara, I cannot exactly tell what are the location specific issues you are facing into Himachal Pradesh or with the humidity. But there might be some other person who is doing the same farm, same operation at your location. He might have faced the same issue and he already found the solution. He can immediately pass the solution to you. So that kind of a community space we are trying to build. So apart from that, that's all theoretical part. So you need to see the operational farm, how exactly the operations are working, how exactly harvest is done, how exactly seedlings are created. So you are welcome to our farm. You can come down to our farm as many times you want. You can come to our farm. So you can stay here. You can understand the small bits and pieces of the farm. How to create a farm like from the granular level information is given at the farm level. You can visit our farm anytime. Right now we don't have this facility, but in future we are working where you can visit their partner's farm. Different people have already developed a farm. You can visit their farms to understand what things they are doing. So we are trying to create the economy here, a community here where everyone is benefited, a mutually beneficial community. We are trying to develop that. So apart from that, whenever you want to pursue this as a business, a lot of people might want to go with the bank loan or the NBFC loan. They need a certificate. So whenever we talk about the certificate, so we have a pre-approved e-verified certificate with us. We have registered the private limited company and we have achieved the complete financial benefit from the it. So whenever we are working with the banks or something like HDFC Bank or something, they have seen our track record. So they know this is a properly proved verified business which is generating proper revenues. So when we give a certificate, we are giving certificate on the name of Crizen Biotech Private Limited, which is successfully driven business, hydroponic business. So the certificate can be e-verified. Whenever they want, they can e-verify the certificate. And when the certificate is not given by some courses or some classes which is running into AC chamber, into some co-working space. This certificate is given by the proper company which is generating revenue from the business, and they're giving the certificate for that particular business. We are not generating revenue from other business and giving certificate for the other business. We're generating revenue from the hydroponics, and we are proving that okay, hydroponic, if this person has completed the course, he knows about hydroponics, and there is a highly chance that this person is going to be successful into the hydroponic journey. So we added a lot of weightage to the certificate here. So when we talk about this course, so more than 17,000 people have already taken the course. We have 4.7 star ratings in the course. Obviously, there are some people, they don't like our course. Obviously, we cannot satisfy everyone at every stage. So, but more than 17,000 people and maintaining 4.7 star rating is a pretty good task. We take very much pride into it. A lot of people talk about us on Facebook. They talk about on Instagram and different medias and different channels. People, we are getting customer love from all the side. Every person who's a member of our course is very much happy that he's not only learning about the hydroponics, he's getting his chance to explore hydroponics. He's getting all his tools to learn about the hydroponics in much more detail. So if you're interested into learning advanced hydroponic, what you should do, what you should expect, and how to achieve the proper ROIs, this is the course for you. On your screen, you can see the link where you can directly click and you can subscribe to the advanced hydroponic or hydroponic masterclass. So we are very much sure about what values we are providing to you, and you're gonna be completely benefited from it. So we are giving you 7-day money back policy. We are so much sure about what we have created. It is gonna add so much value to you. We have a 7 days money back policy. At any point you think this business is not for you, or at any point you think we are not able to provide you the good amount of value for your money, you can just write us an email at support@hydroponicmasterclass.com. We give you 100% refund. No, there is no deduction. We don't deduct money for the payment gateway charges and different things. We give you 100% refund. We bear all the costs because we couldn't provide you the value you expected from us. We give you 100% refund. We are 100% dedicated for this hydroponic, that this hydroponic journey should be much more beneficial for you. So you have a one-time payment and you have a lifetime access. We don't want you to sell course. We want you to be a part of community. We want you to have a lifetime support, lifetime access to this details. We are adding a lot of things into the course. The hydroponic journey, it's already started for us. 3 years back we started this journey. This journey is going to be very big for us. We're going to do a lot of learnings. We're going to do a lot of findings. A lot of community people are doing a lot of learnings and they're doing a lot of findings. So we are adding them into the course. So we want you to have access to those learnings all the lifetime. So we have lifetime access. We have lifetime support. Not only when you're creating the farm, when you're operating the farm, we have support from our end. When you're selling the farm, you're scaling up your farm, you have support from us. So we have a lifetime access and lifetime support from us. So don't waste any time. If you really want to start your hydroponic journey, this is the ultimate course you have to do. This is the final course in the hydroponic. After that, I don't think you need any other course or any other learning. You don't even have to watch any other YouTube video, or you don't have to go to any consultant to understand about any bits or pieces of the hydroponics. So I thank you guys. Thank you for attending today. It was a very lovely session. Let's see you inside into hydroponic masterclass. If you want to talk to us, you can chat on our website. You can give us a call at 9870-424-425, or you can write to us at support@hydroponicmasterclass.com. Thank you guys. Have a good day ahead.